what's good? Welcome back to the channel and happy new year to you all. Listen, it has been 2 weeks. I was on vacation, spending some time with my family for the holiday, but now, baby, we are back. We are better, and today we have got Chainsaw Man. It's the final episode. I know I'm like a week late, but that's okay. So if you're looking forward to this reaction and more content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into the video. Aki! Is he having flashbacks right now? Not the flashbacks. I'm not ready. Y'all, if we lose Aki... First of all, I don't know how I missed spoilers for 2 weeks, but I did it, so here we are. Oh, so he didn't smoke that time? Oh my. Oh wait. What just happened? How did he get free? Oh, did Himeno's memory pass to him through the ghost? Oh, because there's a little bit of her still left in there. I remember! I said that in the last reaction! I said that, you guys. There's still a little bit of her in the ghost devil. Shut up! She kept the cigarette. Easy revenge. What's happening? Look at the animation and art. Oh wow. That was quite fascinating. So the ghost devil is officially dead now. I knew there was something special about that. I don't know why. I just felt it in my spirit. Like, it felt like something was like, Himeno was still in there. Like, when you say contract, yes, you get a part of the devil, but at the same time, like, the devil also gets a part of you, you know? So it's like, it's a little bit different with Denji, who is literally, like, fused with his devil, but, like, that's what I would think. I would think that, like, although you get a part of the devil's ability, the devil also takes some of you, too, so. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh my gosh, this girl is so... What is her power? Is she like an invisible demon devil or something? She was ready to kill her. Honestly, you be dead. You lucky. You're lucky, babe. Oh my gosh. Press the button, girl! Press the button! Oh, Lord. Oh, she said, I trust my back to you, babe. He left. You're on your own. You are proud and you are beautiful. Come on, affirmations? Babe, you are on your own. Denji left. Denji just casually left the elevator closed, babe. Like, you are on your own, babe. I like that. Oh! Mate, mate. They were ready for him. Don't sit there and talk to the enemy. You cannot trust the enemy. He's scary. He's so scary. I don't know why. I thought they were gonna start shooting. Oh, snap. The man. The man pulled off his hand. This is the fight we've been waiting for. Okay, Digi has gotten better for sure. Dang. Come on. What did we do all that training for? What is happening? What was all that training for? Oh my gosh. It's not an anime if it's not a train fight scene. The animation. I love an animated moment. I thought he threw the katanas at him. I was like, wait, he done. Ooh. It's time we take him out. Oh, snap. Okay. I'm just trying to enjoy my trainer. Oh, snap. Oh, he ain't playing no games. Oh, no, it's a lady. Girl, if you don't get up, why is you on the ground? Girl, what is you doing? Why was you on the ground anyway? I'm so sick of that move. Drink your own blood. Dude, well, I guess you can't drink your own blood. Uh-oh, this the theme song music. That's the theme song music. What is happening? Oh. Oh, we done stepped up. Oh, you gotta cut him up some more. Is he dead? I see his guts on the thing. So he's dead. Like, he's dead. So we don't have to worry about him no more. Well, she could bring him back if she finds him, though. Is he dead? Is he dead? Like, I hope he is dead. Like, public safety needs to come get him. Oh, good. Thank God. Oh, thank God. He said, I'm really not satisfied. Let's have a contest. Aki! Nut shots? Did you? Maybe what she meant by the cigarette is like revenge is easy, but like forgiveness is like hard or something. I don't know. I'm trying to be poetic. Like. They got them both, but there's no way it's that easy. Oh! That's what he get. Oh, she was a devil hunter. What? What? He has a contingency plan? Oh, nice. You know what, you guys? I'm starting to believe that the gun devil is in public safety. Because we didn't get a whole lot from Sawatari, but how would the gun devil have even found her to hook up to try to find Denji? And like public safety is very powerful. And why else would the gun devil set up something to where if you get captured, I'm taking you out because I don't want my identity to be revealed? You cannot tell me that the gun devil is not closer than they think. That's what I'm starting to think, at least. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I'm starting to believe that. That was a cute ending. That's the one I like the most. Second so far. I don't know. I just got this sinking feeling about this episode. Everything went a little too well, you know? They got to leave us on a cliffhanger to want to come back for next season, you know? Can't just be like, good. Gotta give us a little something. I'm nervous. This is all too calm. Like, it's all been a little too smooth. I'm getting nervous. Oh, that's the dream again that we saw at the beginning of the show. Oh, yeah, I have this dream all the time. Pochita?
出てこいよ。米の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。デンジ、絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Oh, that's Pochita in his heart. So it's something, Pochita has to open the door. So that's why the gun devil wants his heart, is because whatever is in that dream, he wants whatever's behind that door, right? Which would you rather be? Between the country mouse and the city mouse, which would you rather be? Oh my gosh, I don't even know what any of that means. Oh my gosh, I feel like they just dropped 2 cliffhangers on us. And I think the first one to me indicates that he's having that dream. He can't open the door. And he wants Pochita because maybe Pochita can open the door. And the gun devil wants him because he's trying to get whatever's behind that door. And the second one feels like it's going to be another person that the gun devil contracts to try to get to Denji. I feel like if the gun devil was smart, he would use a woman to try to get to Denji. Because that's his weakness. Man, this episode, I don't even know what to say. What did y'all take from this episode? What did y'all take from the cliffhangers? Let me know in the comment section. Please, please, please. I enjoyed Chainsaw Man. So if you missed any of Chainsaw Man and you want to go back and look at my reactions, please check out this playlist right here. But if I don't see you in one of these videos up next, I'll see you very soon for a future upload. Until then, bye guys.